Hola, soy Ankita, profesora de Español. Welcome to the Rising Viewers Academy. Okay, students, so today we are going to start our class, and so today in today class we'll cover the topic the gender, right? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. So here is your screen. Unidad dos, chapter 2, L E Ella. L means he and Ella is she. He and she. Right? Okay. So topic is masculino y femenino. Masculine and feminine. Clear? Okay. So next, just a minute. Yeah. Next we have el género. El género means the gender. El means the, género is gender. The gender. Okay, let's start from the yellow box. Cada sustantivo en español tiene su género. Cada means each or every. Every sustantivo is noun en español. Every noun in Spanish tiene su género, has its gender. Clear? Okay, so it is clear that every noun in Spanish has its gender. Everything is divided into masculine, feminine. Okay, okay, then come to the second box. Cada palabra termina según su género. Every word and according to its gender. Cada means every, palabra is word, termina is and, según is according to, su género, its gender. Su means its, género is gender. Every word end or terminate according to its gender. Clear this? Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, so first is el libro. El libro means the book, right? El bolígrafo. El bolígrafo means the book. La lámpara. La lámpara is the lamp. La silla. La silla is the chair. Clear? El libro is book. Bolígrafo is pen. Lampara is lamp and silla is chair. Alright? Okay. So let's come to the next page. Okay. So next we have, yeah, los nombres acabados en o son masculinos. The names end in o, they are masculine. Okay, the names end in o, they are masculine. Means the words ending with o, they are masculine in Spanish. Okay, this is a step to identify a word that it is masculine or feminine. Okay, let's see some examples. El libro, the book. El vaso, the vase. El museo, the museum. El teléfono is the telephone. Clear? ओके अब आप यहाँ पे नोटिस कर रहे होंगे कि सभी वर्ड जो है वो ओ से एंड हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो जो ओ से एंड होते हैं वर्ड्स वो हमारी क्या है? मैस्कुलिन, राइट? तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा आइडेंटिफाई करने का स्टेप। ओके, कि हमें पता है कि स्पेनिश में हर वर्ड मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन में डिवाइड किया गया है। सो अब हमें आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करना है कि कौन सा वर्ड मैस्कुलिन है और कौन सा फेमिनिन। So here is a trick to identify a word. The words ending with O, they are always masculine. Clear? Okay. So next is los nombres acabados en A o en consonante pueden ser masculinos. The names end in A o en consonante or en consonant pueden ser masculinos. They can be masculine. Clear? The names ending in consonant and with E they can be masculine. Clear? Example is el hombre. El hombre means the man. El elefante. Elefante is the elephant. El puente. El puente is the bridge. Okay, so all these are examples of a masculine word. Clear? Okay, so in next page we have excepciones. You can see here excepciones. Excepciones means exceptions. Okay, so there are few exceptions also. Okay, let's see the yellow box. Hay palabras que tienen la terminación de una palabra masculina pero son femeninas. Okay, so it is clear that I means HAY is I. Okay, इसे हम हाई नहीं पढ़ेंगे. It's I. I is there is or there are. There are words, palabras is words que tienen that they have la terminación, the termination de una palabra masculina of a masculine word. Pero son femeninas, but they are feminine. So in exceptions, there are words who have the ending of a masculine word, but in actual they are feminine, and we have to learn them. Okay, the exceptions. So let's see. Palabras femeninas con terminaciones masculinas. Feminine words with masculine endings. Clear? Okay, in first example we have la mano. La mano means the hand. This is an exception ending with O, but it is feminine. How do we know it is feminine? Okay, the article we use here it is la. Okay, and la article we use for the feminine words. For masculine ones we use the article L. Okay, so second example, la radio. La radio is the radio. This is also exception ending with O, but we use the article here la. And the last example we have la moto. La moto means the bike. Moto is bike. This is also exception. So all these are exceptions. We have to learn them. That their endings are in a masculine form, but in actual their gender is feminine. Okay. Okay, let's come to the next part. Next we have los nombres acabados en A son femeninos. Okay, so here it means the names end in A they are feminine. Okay, so जो A से end होते हैं वो हमारी क्या है? Feminine. Clear? The names ending with A they are feminine. Example, la casa, the house, la silla, the chair, la cara, the face, and la caja is the box. Okay, so this is a step to remember the feminine words. The names end in A, they are feminine. Okay, next we have los nombres acabados en sion, sion, dad, and dad. The names end in sion, sion, dad, and dad. They are also feminine. Okay, so this is also a way to remember the feminine words, that the words end in sion, sion, dad, and tad form. They are also feminine. Okay, la edad means the age. La nación means the nation. La ubicación means the location. Okay, la edad is age. La nación is the nation. La ubicación is the location. Okay, so ये सारे भी क्या है हमारे फेमिनिन वर्ड्स. अब हमने मैस्कुलिन में पढ़ी थी एक्सेप्शंस, तो ऑब्वियस है कि हम फेमिनिन में भी एक्सेप्शंस पढ़ने वाले हैं. ओके, एक्सेप्शंस आ गई या ठीक है, अब है हमारे पास एक्सेप्शंस, राइट? एक्सेप्शंस इज exceptions. Okay, let's read the exceptions of feminine words. Yeah. Hay palabras que tienen la terminación de una palabra femenina pero son masculinas. There are words that have the termination of a feminine word but they are masculine. Clear? ओके, सो अब होगा क्या कि हमारा फेमिनिन में क्या होगा कि वर्ड की एंडिंग जो है वो कैसे होगी, फेमिनिन के अकॉर्डिंग होगी, बट एक्चुअल में उनका जेंडर क्या होगा, मैस्कुलिन. कैसे, अब देखते हैं. palabras masculinas con terminaciones femeninas, masculine words with feminines ending. वर्ड्स क्या है हमारे, मैस्कुलिन है बट उनकी एंडिंग क्या है, फेमिनिन है. Let's see the example. Okay, so first example is El Mapa. El Mapa means the map, right? Next we have El Planeta. El Planeta means the planet. And the last one is El Pijama. El Pijama is the trouser, right? अब अगर आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि वर्ड की एंडिंग जो है वो कैसे है, ए से हो रही है, and we know the words ending with a they are feminine, but here it is exception. How? Look at the article. The article here it is L, and L article we use for the masculine words, right? So it is clear, it is exception. Okay, next example we have El Planeta. Planeta, it is also ending with a form, but with the article it is clear that it is a masculine word, right? Because L article we use for the masculine words. And the last example is El Pijama. Pijama means trouser. Okay, similar to Hindi. In Hindi we say pajama, right? So it is also masculine. Clear? So this was the concept of masculine and feminine. You always remember the words ending with O, E, and in a consonant they can be masculine. Okay, and the words ending with A, sion, sion, dad and dar, they can be feminine. Okay, मतलब जो O और कॉन्सोनेंट या किसी भी ई अल्फाबेट से होते हैं वो हमारे मैस्कुलिन होंगे, और जो वर्ड्स हमारे ए, सियॉन, सियॉन, दाद एंड तात फॉर्म से एंड होते हैं वो हमारे हमेशा फेमिनिन होंगे. क्लियर? सो अभी के लिए this is all for today class. Okay, you have to remember the concept of masculine and feminine, that how can we identify the masculine words and feminine words. Okay, so in next class I will tell you the topic of number, right? Singular, plural and nationalities, professions. Clear? So in today class this is all. Okay, this is all about today. Practice this stuff, and in next class I'll meet you with another topic. Okay, okay, adios.